Hi everyone, it's Maddie. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video, it's kind of a different video for me, to be honest. I have a Chanel unboxing, which I am excited to share with you, but also I am a little nervous to share it, and here's why. It's because I haven't yet decided if this is an item that I am going to keep. Normally I would not share something if I wasn't sure if I was going to keep it. I don't like unboxing things on my channel and then returning them. I think it sets a bad precedent. I actually don't know if people really do that, but I do know that there's like a cohort of people online who feel like somebody couldn't possibly be unboxing as much as they are, and you know, they assume that then it's all getting returned. I don't like to do that. I do think, you know, when I share something with you, it's with the intention that I'm going to keep it for a long time. Now, does it always work out? No, it doesn't always work out. But because I'm still on the fence about this one, I feel a little bit weird about sharing it. But let me do the unboxing and then I'll explain to you why I'm sharing it, and maybe you guys can even help me decide whether I should keep or return this piece. So it is a piece of ready-to-wear. It is the last piece of ready-to-wear that I ordered from 24A. I ordered the full look from the runway for this, although they didn't produce the matching cap. It is a tweed jacket in this purple color. It's purple, but then if you look closely, you see there's pink and blue sparkle and black in between. The buttons on this were really pretty. And it is a really pretty military jacket. Now, in this last Manchester collection, the jackets were actually all pretty slim tailored. And so in this jacket, my sales associate ordered me a size 50, and he told me that they were the only boutique in the United States to order this jacket in this size. So there's only one size 50 of this tweed jacket in all the United States. And so because of that, when it arrived into the boutique, right away, a bunch of stores were trying to transfer this jacket to their clients. Since it was a pre-order that I had ordered, they were able to ring it for me and hold it for me. And then when I went to the store, I didn't have the skirt that was on the runway with this. And I just wasn't sure, you know, sometimes you do your makeup a little bit different and things aren't clicking. And so my FA was just like, well, take it home, try it on with all of your stuff and different lighting and think about it. And normally I'm like very decisive, very sure. I think I just had a different idea of how this would look. And so it's not a slam dunk for me, but I'm very mixed up about it. But yeah, so anyway, the reason I guess I am open to sharing it with you is just one, to kind of like discuss, you know, obviously I wear larger Chanel sizes, and I always encourage people, you know, go into your boutique, ask for your size. Like, they might not have it, but they might have something, because they do in fact make it. And then hearing that actually maybe if I'm buying the thing, it's like the only one in the United States in that size, is like a little disheartening. Just because I know like the majority of women are like my same size in the United States. And so it's just like, oh, what a, I don't know. I guess maybe that doesn't mean they're not shopping Chanel. Maybe they're buying other things at Chanel. But it was just kind of like, I don't know. On the one hand, I guess it's good because maybe they aren't producing that many of each item. But on the other hand, it kind of gave me a little bit of pause by like, maybe I am not saying the right thing on my channel when I'm like, go out and ask for it and look for it. Like, maybe it doesn't exist. I guess it would be, the more people that ask for it, the more they would make though. I would assume or hope, I don't know, it's hard to tell. Now that Verginie is gone, now I'm rambling, but now that Verginie is gone, I'm actually not sure how much of like the body or physical diversity they will continue to have at Chanel. So that'll be interesting to see as time goes on. But yeah, that said, it is still a Verginie design, and so maybe that would be a good reason to keep it. I recently filmed, I don't know if I'm gonna put up this first or put up my tweed jacket collection video first. I didn't have this when I filmed that, but it is what it is. It's fine, because I actually don't know if I'm gonna keep this or not. Okay. But anyway, so there's that part of it. There's the sizing part of it. The other part of it that I wanted to discuss with you guys is pre-ordering ready-to-wear. And so maybe this kind of like dovetails nicely into the conversation of, is the stuff actually available? Should you go look for it? Blah, blah, blah. Is that after a Chanel runway show, like 2 weeks after, contact your fashion advisor and say that you are interested in ordering some ready-to-wear pieces, if you are. In my experience, I am able to select to say that I would like a few pieces, and we discuss sizing lightly. The fashion advisor makes a recommendation for me, and I don't prepay anything. I'm not obligated to buy it, just like I wasn't obligated to buy this. Also, there's a lot of demand for this if I choose not to. But it's a good way to make sure that you do in fact get your size. So there's like a little bit of waiting time, a little bit of patience required, a little bit of planning involved. And I guess you also, I don't know if everyone has access to that or if it's a VIC thing, but I would think that if you're like even semi-familiar, like the first piece of ready-to-wear that I ordered before I was a VIC, they pre-ordered it for me because of the whole sizing dynamic. But if you're like been shopping bags, semi-familiar with a sales associate, you know, I would say you have nothing to lose. I definitely recommend pre-ordering ready-to-wear as a way of securing your size. And then you could be one of the few people to receive the size if it's happens to be ordered like that in the United States. So that was the other thing I kind of wanted to share a little bit more detail on, is like how pre-ordering works and how it's a really great way to secure your size. Okay, so now that all of that said, let me go try on the jacket. I will meet you guys in the corner. Okay, so this is the tweed skirt that went with this jacket on the runway, which I shared previously in another video. And here is the look, and we can kind of discuss the fit of the jacket, and then you guys tell me what you think. So, like I said, on the runway, oh my gosh, the tag. On the runway, this jacket was like very tailored, and it was almost, so it walked with the jacket fully buttoned, and I feel like it cinched in at the waist more, and if I should have brought a garment clip, but I'll just hold it in the back so you can see. So let me button it up. There was like a cute little hat with it too, which they didn't produce. Okay, so on the runway, it was like the bottom, I feel like flared open more because it was like more cinched in at the waist like that, which I feel like this is like ends up being pretty boxy. I also wasn't sure about the drop shoulder. I'm just not sure about the whole look. I mean, and I don't have to wear it fully buttoned up, but that's how it was on the runway. So for example, if it was more cinched at the waist, like I'm imagining like this would be more of the look, like that, versus how it is like just a very, I don't know, maybe people like it. I posted on the Hearst forum about this and people all liked it, but I don't know. But I think the thing is that if I'm hesitating, sorry, I keep looking at myself because I'm wearing clothes, but like if I'm hesitating, then it has to be a no, right? At this price point. If I'm not 100% sure. Actually, let me show you guys my other 24A coat with this outfit, and then you can see the difference over like a coat I'm dying loving versus something versus this. So remember what this looks like. I realized that these would be two different weather events. Kind of, I don't know. This jacket actually is heavy, but because it's like oversized, it doesn't feel so heavy. But like, I feel like this, something about the proportions. I mean, it's totally different proportions. Oh, and I'm wearing the matching knee socks. That's how this one walked down the runway with like, as far as we know, nothing underneath. Cute. I don't know, but I just feel like the proportions on this are better. Anyway, as you can tell, I'm struggling. I put this on, I love it. And I think the thing is when you put on a Chanel jacket, you don't love it, you can't keep it. That's the answer, pure and simple. I don't know, all of those tensions just kind of exist in my head, you know, both that I pre-ordered it and I don't want to let the boutique down and like lose that privilege. It's the only one in the size in the United States, so there's like the extra pressure, and it just has me all mixed up. But I think I know the answer intuitively. I'm just avoiding it. Yeah, so that's the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you guys you know, have some thoughts. Let me know. One, are you going to talk to your SA about pre-ordering the next Ready to Wear show? Two, should I keep or return the jacket? I will have already decided by the time that this goes out, but let's have the discussion anyway so I can live in regret or not, depending on what I end up deciding. And then three, I guess that's it. I hope everyone has a really great day, and I'll see you in my next video. Okay, bye.